A rack and pinion is a type of linear actuator that comprises a circular gear, the pinion, engaging a linear gear, the rack, which operate to translate rotational motion into linear motion. Driving the pinion into rotation causes the rack to be driven linearly. Driving the rack linearly will cause the pinion to be driven into a rotation. A rack and pinion drive can use both straight and helical gears. Helical gears are preferred due to their quieter operation and higher load-bearing capacity. The maximum force that can be transmitted in a rack and pinion mechanism is determined by the tooth pitch and the size of the pinion. For example, in a rack railway, the rotation of a pinion mounted on a locomotive or a railroad car engages a rack placed between the rails and helps to move the train up a steep gradient. For every pair of conjugate involute profile, there is a basic rack. This basic rack is the profile of the conjugate gear of infinite pitch radius, i.e. a toothed straight edge. A generating rack is a rack outline used to indicate tooth details and dimensions for the design of a generating tool, such as a hod or a gear shaper cutter.